Welcome to this video, where we explore the power of KDE Connect, a tool that bridges the gap between your Android phone and Linux desktop. In this demo, I'll walk you through its features, setup, and real-world use cases. KDE Connect lets you sync notifications, share files, control media, and even use your phone as a remote input device. It enhances productivity and gives you seamless interaction between your devices. To install KDE Connect on your Linux system, open the terminal and run sudo apt install KDE Connect. This command downloads and installs KDE Connect from the official repositories. Once installed, you can find it in your app menu or launch it by typing KDE Connect-indicator in the terminal. Before launching KDE Connect, make sure you've installed it on your Android phone from the Google Play Store. Now, on your Linux system, open the application menu and launch KDE Connect. This will activate the service and display an icon in your system tray. Once it's running, it will start scanning for nearby devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the KDE Connect app on your phone. You should see your computer listed under available devices. Tap on your PC's name and hit Request Pairing. A notification will instantly pop up on your desktop. Just click Accept to complete the pairing. And that's it. Your phone is now securely connected to your desktop. You'll see several options. Tap on Send Files or Send File, depending on your version. Now browse your phone and select the file you want to send. Once selected, it will immediately start transferring to your computer. By default, the file will be saved in your Downloads folder on Linux. The transfer is fast and happens over Wi-Fi, so no cables are needed. This is one of the easiest ways to share photos, documents, or any file directly to your desktop. From the list of available features, select Remote Input. Your phone screen will now act like a touchpad. Simply swipe your finger to move the mouse cursor on your desktop. You can tap to click, drag, and even use the on-screen keyboard if needed. Now we will configure and set Run command. Here, you'll see a list of predefined commands. Or if you haven't set any yet, it might be empty. To create your own commands, go to the KDE Connect settings on your desktop. Open the plugin settings and add custom commands like opening an app, shutting down the PC, or playing a sound. It's a powerful tool for automating tasks and controlling your Linux PC. KDE Connect lets you sync notifications, share files, control media, and even use your phone as a remote input device. It enhances productivity and gives you seamless interaction between your devices. With KDE Connect, you can read and reply to SMS messages directly from your desktop. It keeps your conversations going without needing to pick up your phone. KDE Connect lets you control your desktop presentations remotely using your phone. I'm demonstrating it here with LibreOffice Impress. You can swipe to move slides, or even use your phone's volume buttons to navigate easily. With KDE Connect, you can control media playback on your PC right from your phone. Play, pause, skip tracks, and adjust volume, just like a remote control. You can also enable Bluetooth support from the advanced settings in the KDE Connect app. It's a beta feature, handy when Wi-Fi isn't available. And that's it for this introduction to KDE Connect and its amazing features. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Stay tuned for more Linux tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.